Attention, thrill seekers, nature enthusiasts, and drone aficionados. TravelPixified is taking you on a heart-pounding journey through the awe-inspiring landscapes of Patagonia, Chile. This rugged and remote region at the southern tip of South America is a paradise for outdoor adventurers, and our drone footage will unveil its hidden beauty from a breathtaking perspective. Patagonia, a land of extremes, offers a smorgasbord of adventure for every type of thrill seeker. From scaling towering mountains and trekking across glaciers to kayaking through pristine lakes and whitewater rafting down raging rivers, Patagonia will push your limits and leave you breathless. But before you pack your bags, let's take a closer look at the top 5 national parks that deserve a spot on your Patagonian adventure itinerary, all showcased with stunning drone footage. 1. Torres del Paine National Park. A hiker's paradise, Torres del Paine is a hiker's dream, home to the world-renowned W Trek, a multi-day adventure that takes you through some of the park's most spectacular landscapes. Imagine trekking past turquoise lakes, towering glaciers, and dramatic mountain ranges. Our drone footage will capture the sheer scale and majesty of this iconic park. Beyond hiking, while hiking is a major draw, go horseback riding through rolling pampas, kayak on serene lakes reflecting the snow-capped peaks, or embark on a whitewater rafting adventure down the thundering Serrano River. 2. Los Glaciares National Park. Land of the Glaciers, Los Glaciares National Park is a wonderland of ice, home to some of the most spectacular glaciers in the world, including the awe-inspiring Perito Morao Glacier. Witness the mesmerizing process of glacial calving, where massive chunks of ice break off the glacier's face and crash into the turquoise waters of Lago Argentino. Our drone footage will provide a front-row seat to this natural wonder. Upscale your adventure for a truly unforgettable experience. Hike on top of Perito Moreno Glacier with crampons and ice axes. Imagine exploring the crevasses and glacial formations, feeling the immense power and beauty of nature firsthand. 3. Tierra del Fuego National Park. End of the Earth allure, Tierra del Fuego, meaning land of fire in Spanish, lives up to its name with its dramatic landscapes and harsh beauty. Explore windswept coastlines, hike through ancient lenga forests, and marvel at the stark beauty of the Beagle Channel. Our drone footage will showcase the unique blend of rugged coastlines, lush forests, and snow-capped mountains. Wildlife encounters. Keep your eyes peeled for Patagonian wildlife in Tierra del Fuego. Spot penguins waddling on the shore, sea lions basking on the rocks, and condors soaring overhead on majestic wings. 4. Pumalin National Park. Temperate rainforest paradise, Pumalin National Park is a haven for nature lovers, offering a glimpse into a pristine temperate rainforest ecosystem. Hike through ancient alerce trees, paddle down tranquil rivers teeming with salmon, and witness the abundant bird life that calls this lush wilderness home. Our drone footage will reveal the untouched beauty of this hidden gem. 5. Queulat National Park. Land of Hanging Glaciers, Queulat National Park is known for its dramatic hanging glaciers, cascading down mountainsides and feeding turquoise lakes. Hike through lush rainforests, witness the roar of powerful waterfalls, and marvel at the contrasting beauty of glaciers and verdant vegetation. Our drone footage will showcase this unique and awe-inspiring landscape. Beyond the glaciers, explore the fjords of Queulat National Park on a boat tour, spotting playful dolphins and majestic whales in the crystal-clear waters. For the truly adventurous, try kayaking amongst the icebergs calving off the glaciers. These are just a few of the countless adventures that await you in Patagonia, Chile. Each national park offers a unique blend of landscapes, wildlife, and activities, ensuring an unforgettable experience for every type of thrill seeker. Our drone footage has hopefully ignited your wanderlust and provided a glimpse into the breathtaking beauty of this remote region. Here are some additional tips to plan your Patagonian adventure. Best time to visit. The Patagonia in summer, December to February, offers the best weather for hiking and outdoor activities. However, shoulder seasons, March to May and September to November, can be less crowded and offer good value. Be prepared for unpredictable weather year-round, with strong winds and sudden rain showers a possibility. Packing essentials. Pack layers of clothing suitable for changing weather conditions. Sturdy hiking boots, a waterproof jacket, and a warm hat are essential. Don't forget sunscreen, sunglasses, and insect repellent. Accommodation options. Patagonia offers a variety of accommodation options, from rustic campsites and basic refugios in national parks to luxurious eco-lodges and charming guest houses in nearby towns. Choose the option that best suits your budget and travel style. TravelPixified believes that responsible travel protects the natural beauty of destinations like Patagonia. Here are some ways to be a responsible traveler. Leave no trace. Pack out all your trash and minimize your impact on the environment. Stick to designated trails and respect wildlife. Support local communities. Choose locally owned accommodations and restaurants to support the Patagonian economy. Learn a few basic Spanish phrases to enhance your interactions with locals. Be aware of your surroundings. Patagonia is a wild and remote region. Be prepared for changing weather conditions and potential hazards. Research each activity beforehand and follow safety guidelines. So, are you ready to embark on your own Patagonian adventure? Let TravelPixified inspire you to explore this breathtaking corner of the world. Have you ever visited Patagonia? Which national park piques your interest the most? Share your travel experiences and recommendations in the comments below. Together, let's create a community of Patagonian adventurers. Until next time, happy travels.